So, another one we explained today about this jatropha leaf. If you know that you have a monitoring spirit disturbing your life, you understand the monitoring spirit that control you to do the wrong thing, to commit suicide or to do something that is very bad. You understand that force you to do something that you don't like. You understand. Get your early morning urine for continuously for 3 days before you say what to anyone. Then for that 3 days, get sap. The leaf of a jatropha leaf. Put it in that your urine. Squeeze it very well. Filter it. Are you with me? Then add like 1 spoon of salt to it. Then add it to your bathing water. Use it to wash every part of your body. You understand? When you add it to your bathing water, use it continuously for 7 days to end the evil or the demon that's following you to force you to do a wrong thing. You understand? That block your way